So hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are absolutely fine and sound. In this video, we are going to talk about the basic important thing updates regarding the Arcade and Arcade Facilitator program. So basically, first of all, if you're new to this channel, do like the video and subscribe the channel. So the first thing here, what we are talking about, let me disclose. So basically, we are talking about the Arcade Insider email, which was out recently. How people are getting this insider email and what you can do that you will also receive this kind of email. Secondly, how to participate in the arcade program. And the third most important thing is that when we will be receiving the arcade progress report. Yes, the arcade facilitator progress report. So let's start. Basically, the arcade insider email was out within 2 to 3 days ago. Basically, I think so. So many of you are complaining that we haven't received the arcade insider email. So here, basically, let me disclose about the arcade insider email. So basically here all the details from suppose if you started from January, no, for this cohort we have started from July. So suppose if you have started from July and you'll be continuing till December, so all the points basically from July till December will be available in the Arcade Insider. They will update all the progress report, the number of badges completion, and convert it into points, basically arcade points, and then it will be listed on the Arcade Insider email. From there, you can verify it how much points you have earned, and make sure to check the deadline also. So basically, let me show you an example. So basically, this is a sample example email. Basically, it is a real example only. So here you'll be getting this kind of email, and it will show like so far you have earned an impressive 12 arcade points. Keep up the great work and building momentum. And basically, 12 arcade points. So how many points we have earned during which tenure? So here you can see this total point reflects your progress between 7th of July and 31st of July. So, suppose if you started any game on 1st of August or 4th of August, then the game won't be shown over here. That doesn't mean the points won't be added to your final counter. It will be added in the next email, which will be sent in September. So, this is the main thing I wanted to share. Many of you may have received this email and many of you have not received this email. So, what you need to do and what the chances that basically you haven't received this email? First thing, you have to come to the Arcade homepage, and from here just click on subscribe here. Now here basically you have to enter your email ID. Which email ID? The email ID which is linked to your Cloud Skills Boost account. Basically Cloud Skills Boost and Qwiklabs. If you know Qwiklabs, then basically it's Qwiklabs only. Okay, basically they are same thing, but only the name is different. So basically here you have to enter the Qwiklabs or Cloud Skills Boost email address and just submit. Now you won't get the email instantly. You'll get a form copy response whatever you have filled on your registered email address. Now another thing is that you have to wait till September. So basically in August this email was out. Similarly another email will be out in September. So you have to wait for it. Also for the people who have subscribed to the arcade on August 1st or August 4th when the arcade facilitator program started. So you will be receiving this email in the next month. And if you have participated in July and haven't received this email, contact the support at the rate of qwiklabs.com. Also do one thing to check the spam also. Now, you have just subscribed in August. Many of you are thinking that we have completed the August game badges and we subscribe only when the facilitator program started. Basically on 4th of August. So are we eligible to get the insider email? Yes, as you have just participated in August only, as I said earlier, that you'll be receiving the basically email, basically the progress report of the Arcade Insider in next month. Now let's come to the progress report of Arcade Facilitator. So basically from today onwards, basically the Friday, today is Friday, and from today onwards you will be receiving the Arcade Insider email, right? Sorry, not Arcade Insider, the progress report for the Arcade Facilitator program. So basically, if you have enrolled in the Arcade Facilitator program, you will be receiving this report. And what does the report contains? The number of skill badges you have earned, now number of arcade games or trivia games you have completed, and how many they are needed. Basically it will show like that you have to complete 32 skill badges or 40 skill badges, just like as we have seen in the milestone section. It will show like this and you have to complete it. I'll recommend hurry up and complete all the badges as much as you can, because the labs have some errors also and you may get some error and you won't be able to complete the 52 skill batches. So I'll recommend hurry up and start with the lab courses. And first thing I will share that you'll complete all these arcade games. Okay, arcade games joining is very simple. You have to just come over here, sign into your Cloud Skills Boost account, right click and start it, and just you have to just right click and do like this and just copy this code. You can see this is the access code. I'm showing you a live demo. So basically let me sign in. So it will take some time. Let me sign in. So basically this was our arcade insider email, and finally we have signed in to the game. You have to click on this join the game and just paste the access code over here. Now, one more important thing I covered that the solutions. Do not worry, everything will be covered in this channel. So basically you have just join any games. Now here you have to just click on this arrow and find all the labs are here. So how will you complete the lab? For completing the lab, you have to come to the playlist section and come over here and you can see all these games. Suppose for this games, here is the playlist. For other games also, here are the playlists. You have to just navigate it and find it. Another important thing I wanted to share that the progress report there will be basically LinkedIn or all the details how you can contact their facilitators, so you can contact it. And if you face any queries like regarding your progress report missing or your basically public profile is incorrect, you can just check that out. Another important thing is that if you face any issue, you can reach out to your facilitators. And if you face any issue regarding any labs courses, you can reach out to me. So this is the basic thing I wanted to share. That's all about this video. Thank you guys. Have a great day.